Petroleum jelly is not just for chapped skin. In this video, we'll show you 8 alternative uses for petroleum jelly you need to know. Prevent razor rust. Extend the life of your razor by smoothing a very thin layer of petroleum jelly onto the blades in between uses. Make sure the blades are fully dry before applying and be careful to avoid cuts. Extend perfume life. Scared your favorite scent won't last on your night out? Simply dab a bit of petroleum jelly onto your application areas, then spray on your favorite perfume to make the scent last longer. Remove scuffs on leather items. Dab some petroleum jelly onto the scuff marks and gently buff off with a soft towel. Scuffs will disappear and items will look like new. Unstick zippers. Have a sticky zipper that keeps getting caught? Just smooth a small amount of petroleum jelly onto the stuck zipper and work the zipper through a few times to distribute. Prevent stuck nail polish caps. Residue from using your favorite nail polish can get caked up and lock up the lid. To prevent this, simply place a thin layer of petroleum jelly around the base before you screw on the cap. Stop squeaks. Petroleum jelly is an awesome lubricator. Your computer chair or that cabinet door keeps squeaking? Just place a small amount of petroleum jelly onto that squeaky hinge and gently wipe away any excess with a paper towel to get rid of the squeaky noise. Keep your light bulbs rust-free. Through time, the base of your light bulb may have a little rust buildup, which will make it hard to remove when it needs replacing. To prevent this, simply apply a small amount of petroleum jelly onto the base of your bulb and smooth away any excess with a paper towel before you screw it into place. Waterproof fire starter. This one is great to have on camping trips. Cotton balls burn quickly by itself, but when slathered with petroleum jelly, it produces a strong consistent flame that lasts for a few minutes. Be sure to make a few and place in a Ziploc bag for your next camping trip. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.